just before we get into the equations themselves, I will just go through some of the headings and explanations of what they mean. So in this case, the uppercase N refers to the number of turns for the transformer. So the transformer is made up of basically two coils, and they have a certain amount of turns in them on one side, and then you have a certain amount of turns on the other. So N refers to the number of turns. The V in these two columns refers to the voltage. So the units are the same. It's either the number of turns or the voltage. Small p refers to the primary, which is your first coil. And the small s refers to the secondary coil. So for each side of the transformer, you will have the number of turns for the primary, the number of turns for the secondary, and you will also have the voltage for the primary, and then you have the voltage for the secondary. They're the four main components that we will need to use to do the following calculations. Just one thing to point out. So the questions in exercise 1 are the same, are asking the same as in 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's just in these ones, they are a visual, whereas question 1, they're in a table form. So for instance, if I can get this in shot, in question 1, we have NP, NS, VP, and it's asking us for VS. In calculation 2, we have MP, NS, VP, and it's asking for VS. So in question 2, that is the same as that. That is the same as that. That is the same as that. And it's asking us for what VS is. It's just in question 1, they've given you the answers in red. So what I'm going to do is, going forwards, I will use the pictorial version, and I've drawn these out just so we're working off the same visual throughout all the equations.